there's a speed bump, it's all gonna spill.
Maybe hold that.
Yan yung bucket.
Rice
Yan yung ang lit naman.
But chicken for big.
With the sugar.
Ilang piraso yan?
8. Walang 10. Walang
Tommy too.
Maliit-liit naman pala niyang...
Ate, where's yours?
Kala ko eh.
Mommy. It's with mommy. Oh, I'm videoing kasi. I love soft serve ice cream.
Doon tayo, mag-highway na tayo. Doon tayo dumaan sa ano. Sa highway, magka sa looban.
Hindi makawakan niya. Oh, traffic
Ito, may mga inasal na pala dito oh.
Tagal na yan.
Jollibee. Sino may gusto ng Jollibee?
No need. Already ordered. We don't need any more food. Should I keep videoing you?
Yeah, man.
You're a man now. I feel dizzy. Okay.